Welcome to Casa Grande Hennessy. Let me quickly give you the top reasons why you need to invest now at Casa Grande Hennessy. Casa Grande Advantage. With over 22 years of excellence in the real estate industry, Casa Grande Builders is the #1 developer in Chennai, ranked as the top 7 in India and top 2 in South India. With over 55,000 plus happy customers and 7,000 homes sold just last year, Casa Grande stands tall with 180 plus landmark projects present across 6 key cities like Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune, Coimbatore and Dubai. Committed to the highest quality standards with 2,000 plus multi-level checks and assured on-time delivery, Casa Grande offers 7-year warranty with 10-year maintenance and hassle-free guaranteed rental and resale services. Casa Grande Hennessy for the upgraded lifestyle. Location and price. Casa Grande Hennessy is located at Kompally, minutes from Suchitra Circle at the heart of North Hyderabad. If you want to buy a spacious 3 BHK apartment anywhere in North Hyderabad with the kind of luxurious lifestyle, it would cost you a minimum of Rs 8,500 to 9,500 rupees per square feet, Rs 2.5 crores, whereas Casa Grande Hennessy is offered at Rs 6,599 per square feet, 15 minutes to NH44 and ORR exit 6. Well connected to Bovanpally, Balanagar with quick accessibility to Kanlakoya Gateway IT Park, Genome Valley and established tech parks in Secunderabad and Bolaram. Reputed educational institutions, health centers, business parks, transport hubs like upcoming Metro Phase 2, high street lifestyle destinations make it a preferred choice for any luxurious home buyers and smart investors. Product planning. Casa Grande Hennessy is a 3.7-acre contemporary elevation-styled community of 213 spacious 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Efficient planning focused on light, ventilation, privacy, views and Vastu. 2.5-acre open space with around 45,000 square feet of lush greenery encourage recreational activities. Vehicle-free community with basement parking for kids and elders' safety. Spacious 12 to 13 feet wide living, dining and kitchen with dedicated utility. Homes with 8 feet high large windows for maximum airflow and 3-sided ventilation. Expansive bedrooms of at least 13 by 16 feet and 12 by 14 feet with 5 by 8 feet baths. Convertible balcony in bedrooms provide 3 times more ventilation and scenic views. 100% Vastu compliant homes with no space wastage. Every home is built to perfection with superior craftsmanship and uncompromising quality standard. Amenities and specifications. Casa Grande Hennessy offers 65 plus lifestyle amenities and a grand 15,000 square feet of clubhouse, 1,600 square feet of rooftop, swimming pool, multi-purpose sports court, nature walkway, koi pond, rooftop co-work zone, interactive gym, sky cinema and many more interesting amenities. Luxurious specifications like grand main door with digital lock, bigger vitrified flooring, master control switch, weatherproof socket, USB point, high-end fittings and much more, elevating your everyday experience. Completion timeline. At Casa Grande, we have our in-house construction team and we finish every project at the most optimal speed. And Casa Grande is committed to deliver Casa Grande Hennessy in just 26 months compared to the general market handing over timeline of 60 plus months, which increases your pre-EMI burden. Experience the grandeur and comfort at Casa Grande Hennessy. So go for it and book now.